Hey everyone, quick video here to show you how to type the domain and range notation using EquatIO. So I'm going to use the example from page 6 and box 4, where the domain was x is any real number except for -2 or +2. So we're going to start off with the letter x, and then to get the element of or is inside of symbol, you will go \in, hit spacebar, and it gives you that funny looking E symbol. So x is in R. X is an element of the set of real numbers. To get that double barred R, you're going to have to go to your options menu here. And if you go to symbols and then scroll down almost all the way to the bottom, past all the Greek letters, there it is. Real numbers, double barred R. So that's the first part of it. X can be any real number, but there are some exceptions. In our case, X can't be +2 or -2. So to get those exceptions, you're going to go \mid, M-I-D, and that will give you that little vertical line that separates the domain from the exceptions. And last, we're going to say X cannot equal -2 or +2. So to get the does not equal sign, you're going to do \NEQ, stands for not equal to. X is not equal to -2, comma, space, X is also not equal to, so \NEQ, spacebar, +2. So to recap how you get all of those different symbols, to get the funny looking E, the inside of or element symbol, you go \in and hit space. To get the real numbers symbol, you go to the menu, symbols, and scroll down almost all the way to the bottom, and there is your double R. To get the vertical line that separates the domain from the exceptions, you go \mid, M-I-D, and to get the not equal to symbol, you do \NEQ. So that's how you would type the domain of this function. To get the range, we had y was any real number except for 3. So we would do y \in real number set. So again, that's your options, your symbols, scrolling down for R. \mid to get the vertical line for the exceptions. And the one exception is that y cannot equal 3. So we'll do y \NEQ not equal to 3. And if we want to make this look a little nicer, we might put a space there. But that was how you would type the domain and range using EquatIO.